So let's talk about the yellow aura. These yellow auras actually make up 77% of the population, and their superpower, this is so critical, these are the folks that are known as carers. This is such an important role for you to fill. It doesn't mean that you need to have a job that appears to involve caring or caregiving. That's not what it means. It just means you're a natural nurturer and you interact with others as well as nature in this manner. It really is a superpower to embrace this because the world we know can use a lot more caring and compassion. And being a carer doesn't mean that you can't or you shouldn't lead a fight or a movement or something that you care about. It means that when you lead, it will be from your heart, and others who sense your love and your compassion will be compelled to join you. Thanks for tuning in today, and be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can stay in the loop on new trainings as they come out. And let us know in comments if you're a red, a yellow, or a blue.